Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Content marketing continues to be a driving force in customer acquisition and sales growth. By creating high-quality, relevant, and informative content, businesses establish authority in their industries. When potential customers view a brand as knowledgeable and trustworthy, they are more inclined to purchase from it. Content marketing also serves as a long-term investment. Well-optimized blog posts, videos, and guides can continue attracting leads for years. In addition, video content, one of the most engaging forms of marketing, increases retention and drives conversions. Explainer videos, testimonials, behind-the-scenes clips, and live sessions give audiences deeper insights into a brand's products and values. Interactive content, such as quizzes, polls, and AR/VR experiences, boosts engagement even further, transforming passive viewers into active participants. Marketing's role in unlocking growth also extends to data-driven decision-making. In the digital age, every click, share, and purchase leaves a trail of data that marketers can analyze to understand what works and what doesn't. Key performance indicators such as click-through rates, conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and ROI allow marketers to continuously refine their strategies for maximum impact. Data segmentation enables precise targeting, ensuring that marketing efforts are focused on the most profitable customer groups. Predictive analytics and AI-driven modeling help forecast trends, measure campaign success, and identify new opportunities before competitors do. This continuous feedback loop transforms marketing from a cost center into a growth engine. In addition to attracting new customers, marketing strengthens customer retention and loyalty, which are essential for sustainable growth. Studies consistently show that retaining existing customers costs less and yields higher returns than acquiring new ones. Marketing helps maintain engagement through loyalty programs, personalized offers, re-engagement emails, and social media interaction. These initiatives make customers feel valued, encouraging repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Satisfied customers often become brand advocates, sharing positive experiences that attract new leads organically. This phenomenon, known as advocacy marketing, leverages the trust that people place in peer recommendations. Still the most effective form of promotion. Online reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content amplify this effect, giving potential customers confidence to choose your brand. Marketing creating seamless experiences across online and offline touchpoints is another crucial growth strategy. Today's consumers interact with brands across multiple devices and platforms before making a purchase. They might discover a product on Instagram, read reviews on Google, visit the brand's website, and finally buy in-store or through an app. Omnichannel marketing ensures that all these touchpoints offer consistent messaging, design, and value propositions. This cohesion builds familiarity and trust, reducing friction in the buying journey and increasing conversion rates. Businesses that master omnichannel integration not only reach more people but also deliver superior customer experiences, translating directly into more closed deals and long-term loyalty. Marketing also empowers growth through innovation and adaptation. Markets evolve, consumer preferences shift, and technology transforms daily, but marketing helps businesses stay ahead of these changes. By monitoring trends, analyzing competitors, and listening to customers, marketers can identify emerging needs and pivot quickly. This adaptability allows businesses to introduce new products, reposition existing ones, or explore new markets before opportunities fade. For example, the rise of sustainable consumerism has led companies to rebrand around eco-friendly values, with marketing campaigns highlighting transparency and responsibility. Likewise, the adoption of artificial intelligence, automation, and virtual reality in marketing has opened new frontiers for customer engagement and personalization. Emotional marketing is another powerful dimension that accelerates sales growth. Decisions are driven by emotion more than logic, and marketing that appeals to feelings happiness, belonging, fear, pride, or nostalgia creates stronger connections and higher conversion rates. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like to join our private group and community.